Welcome to Frontline UCX, the psychology of self discipline. Self discipline is one of the most powerful forces in human life, yet, it also one of the most misunderstood. Many people believe that successful individuals are simply born with more motivation, more talent, and more luck. They look at athletes, entrepreneurs, leaders, and high achievers and assume that these people possess something special that ordinary people do not have. But when you study the lives of truly successful individuals, you discover a different truth. The secret is not motivation, the secret is self discipline. Motivation is temporary, it comes and goes like the weather. Some days you feel excited, energized, and ready to conquer the world. Other days you feel tired, distracted, and discouraged. If your success depends on motivations, then your result will always be inconsistent. But self-discipline is different. Self-discipline means doing what need to be done even when you do not feel like doing it. It means taking action regardless of your mood, emotions, and circumstances. Think about how many dreams are abandoned every year, not because people lack ability, but because they lack consistency. Someone wants to start a business, they are excited for a few weeks, then lost interest. Someone wants to get fit, they join a gym, exercise for a month, but quite. Someone wants to learn a new skills, they begin with enthusiasm but stop. When progress becomes slow, the problem is rarely a lack of potential, the problem is an inability to continue when things become difficult. The human brain is naturally designed to seek comfort from an evolutionary perspective. This makes sense. Our ancestors survived by conserving energy, avoiding danger, and seeking immediate rewards. The brain still operates in much the same way. Today, I prefer comfort over discomfort, pleasure our pain, and instant gratification our long term rewards. This is why self discipline feels difficult. When you wake up early to work on your goals, your brain wants more sleep. When you choose healthy food, your brain wants sugar and junk food. When you sit down to study, your brain looks for entertainment and distraction. Discipline requires you to override these automatic impulses and make choice based on what is important rather than what is easy. One of the biggest myths about disciplines is that disciplines people never struggle. In reality, they struggle just like everyone else. The difference is that they have trained themselves to act despite the struggle. They do not wait until they feel ready. They do not wait until conditions are perfect. They take action anyway. Imagine two people who have the same goal but both want to become successful. One person only works when they feel motivated. The other person works every day whether they feel motivated or not. At the end of a year, the difference between them will be enormous, not because one person is smarter but because one person was more consistent. Consistency is where extraordinary results come from. Small action repeated every day create powerful outcomes. A person who reads 10 pages a day can finish dozen of books in a year. A person who saves a small amount of money regularly can build a significant wealth. A person who exercises constantly uh, can completely transform for their body over time. Discipline creates results that seem impossible to those who only focus on short-term efforts. Many people fail because they underestimate the power of small daily habits. They are looking for dramatic change overnight. They want instant success, instant wealth, and instant transformation. When these results do not appear quickly, they become frustrated and quiet. When what they fail to understand is that success is usually invisible at first. Consider a seed planted in a ground for weeks, nothing appears above the surface. It may seem as though nothing is happening, but beneath the soil, roots are growing, strengthening, and preparing for future growth. Eventually, the planet emerges and continues growing rapidly. Success often works the same way. The effort you put in today may not produce immediate results, but it is building the foundation for future achievements. Some discipline also requires the ability to delay gratifications. This means being willing to sacrifice short term pleasure for long term rewards. In today's world, the skill is becoming increasingly rare. Modern technology provides instant entertainment, instant communication, and instant satisfaction. People can spend hours scrolling through social media, watching videos, and consuming content without realizing how much time they are losing. The challenge is not that these things exist. The challenge is that many people allow them to control their lives. Every distraction pulls attention away from meaningful goals. Every hour spent avoiding important work is an hour that could have been invested in growth. Highly disciplined people understand the value of time. They recognize that time is the most valuable resources because once it is gone, it can never be recovered. Many money can be earned again, opportunities can return, but time only moves in one direction. The awareness changes how they make decisions. Instead of asking what feels good right now, they ask what will benefit them in a future. They understand that every choice either moves them closer to their goals or further away from them. Other important aspect of discipline is personal responsibility. Many people blame external circumstances from their lack of progress. They blame the economy, their upbringing, their environment, or other people. While these factors can certainly create challenges, they do not completely determine outcomes. History is filled with examples of individuals who overcome enormous obstacles to achieve extraordinary success. Some grew up in poverty, some faced discriminations, some experienced failure after failure, yet they refused to surrender responsibilities for their lives. They focus on what they could control rather than what they could not. This is one of the most empowering mindset shifts a person can make. When you accept responsibility for your actions, you gain the power to change your future. You stop seeing yourself as a victim of circumstances and start seeing yourself as a creator of your own destiny. Self discipline is also closely connected to self respect. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, your confidence grows. Every time you follow through on a commitment, your strength trust on your own abilities. Conversely, every time you break promises to yourself, you weaken that trust. Imagine telling yourself that you will wake up early tomorrow, then when the alarm rings, you hit snooze and go back to sleep. This may seem insignificant, but your mind notice when repeated constantly. These actions teach your brain that your promises cannot be trusted. Now, imagine the opposite. You decide to wake up early, and when the alarm rings, you immediately get out of bed. You follow through on your commitment again, and your mind notice over time. These actions build a strong sense of confidence and self-respect. One reason discipline is so powerful is because it creates momentum. Success tends to build upon itself. Small victories leads to greater confidence leads to larger actions produce bigger results. As momentum grow, progress become easier to maintain. However, the opposite is also true. Negative habits create negative momentum. Procrastination leads to stress leads to avoidance leads to missed opportunities. Over time, this cycle can become difficult to break. The key is to start small. Many people make the mistake of trying of change everything at once. They create unrealistic goals and overwhelming routine. Then when they cannot maintain them, they become discouraged. Real transformation being with simple action, one new habit, one positive decision, one small improvement repeated constantly. Over time, these small changes accumulate into remarkable results. Discipline also requires the ability to handle discomfort. Most people spend their lives trying to avoid discomfort. They avoid difficult conversation, difficult decision, difficult challenges and difficult emotions, yet growth only occur outside the comfort zone. Every meaningful achievement requires discomfort. Learning new skills require effort. Building a business requires risk. Improving physical fitness requires hard work. Strengthening relationship requires vulnerability. The path to success is rarely comfortable. Disciplined individuals understand this. They do not view discomfort as a sign to quiet. They view it as evidence that they are growing. They recognize that temporary discomfort often leads to long-term rewards. Fear is other obstacle that discipline helps overcome. Fear to failure prevent many people from pursuing their goals. They worry about making mistake, being judged or experiencing rejection. As a result, they never take action. The truth is that failure is not the opposite. The truth is that the failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is a part of success. Every successful person has experienced setbacks, mistakes, and disappointments. The difference is that they continued moving forward despite them. Self discipline allows people to act even when fear is present. Courage is not the absence to fear, courage is taking action despite fears. The more often you do this, the strength and more resilient you become. Other important lesson is that create freedom. Many people believe discipline limits freedom because it requires rule, structure, and sacrifice. In reality, the opposite is true. Lack of discipline often leads to limitation, while discipline creates option. Financial discipline creates financial freedom. Health discipline creates physical freedom. Learning discipline creates intellectual freedom. Time discipline creates lifestyle freedom. The temporary sacrifice required by discipline often lead to greater freedom in the future. Think about someone who manage money wisely. They may sacrifice unnecessary spending today but gain financial security tomorrow. Think about someone who exercise regularly. They may experience temporary discomfort but gain long-term health and energy. Discipline does not remove freedom, it creates it. Environment also plays a significant role in discipline. Your surroundings influence your behavior more than most people realize. If you are constantly surrounded by distraction, maintenance focus becomes difficult. If you spend time with negative people, maintaining motivation becomes challenging. Highly disciplined individuals intentionally design environments that support success. They remove distraction, create productive routines, and surrounded themselves with people who encourage growth. They understand that willpower alone is not enough. System and environments matter. One of the most effective strategies for building discipline is developing routine. Routine reduces the need for constant decision making. Instead of debating whether to take action, you simply follow the system. Successful athletes, writers, entrepreneurs, and performers only rely on routines. They do not wait for inspirations. They have established habits that guide their actions regardless of mood or circumstances. Morning routines are especially powerful because they set the tone for the day. Beginning the day with international action creates momentum that carries into other areas of life, whether it involves exercise, reading, planning, or reflecting. The goal is to start with purpose rather than reaction. Other powerful habit is focusing on progress rather than perfections. Perfectionism often becomes a form of protectionism. People delay actions because the fear making mistakes. They want everything to be perfect before they begin. The reality is that perfection does not exist. Progress matters more than perfection. Consistent improvement creates results, while endless preparation creates stagnation. The most successful person are willing to start before they feel ready to learn along the way. There will always be days when disciplines feel difficult. There will be setbacks, failure, and moments of doubt. This is normal. The goal is not to be perfect, the goal is to remain committed even when progress feels slow. Every day, present a choice. You can follow your feelings or follow your goals. You can choose comfort or growth. You can choose excuse or responsibility. These choices may seem small in a moment, but over time they shape your future. The person you become tomorrow is determined by the decision you make today. Every disciplined action strengthens and your character. Every positive habits reinforce your identity. Every step forward brings you closer to your potential. The psychology of self discipline ultimately comes down to understanding that success is not something that happens to you, it is something you create through repeated actions and consistent effort. Motivations may start the journey, but discipline keeps you moving when motivation disappears. The greatest achievement in life rarely belong to the most talented people. The often belongs to those who refused to quit, those who kept showing up, those who continued working when others stopped, those who remained committed long after the excitement faded. Your future is being shaped right now by the habits you practice, the choice you make, and the standard you accept. Every action matters, every decision counts, and every moment provides an opportunity to become stronger, wiser, and more disciplined than you were yesterday. The question is not The question is not whether you are capable of success. The question is whether you are willing to do what success requires consistently, day after day, even when nobody is watching, even what it is difficult, and even when progress feels invisible. Because in the end, discipline is not about controlling your life, it is about creating the life you truly want and having the courage to work for it every single day until it becomes reality. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, comment it, share it, and support me. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video, inshallah.